Welcome to Advanced Technique Clothing Construction 2. This is part 2 of the Audrey Hepburn Breakfast at Tiffany's Little Black Dress. So the students want to know how can they make that dress. So they're going to make the dress in a mini form so that when they have the actual fabric, then they would have worked all the kinks out in the small dress. So this is the part 2. If you have not watched part 1 of how to sew a dress with a bodice top and attached skirt, go back and look at that first, okay? All right, so this is the guide sheet, So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, okay? And I'm gonna show you the name of the pieces, and then we actually have the pieces pinned together at the bottom, okay? So we have the front of the bodice, and this is the symbol of the fold. So it has to be cut on the fold of the fabric. And here is the fold, okay? The fold opens up. So we don't want seams down the front of our dress, all right? So this piece is on the fold, and also the neckline. The neckline has the fold symbol. So we're gonna put this on the fold as well. And then the skirt, the front of the skirt, we don't want a seam down the middle. So here's the fold symbol. Be sure to look for the fold symbols. So on any dress that has a bodice with the skirt connected, these are the 3 fold pieces. And then the back, you have, it's not cut on the fold, it's cut on the edge. And then we have the back neckline, and then we have the actual back of the skirt of the dress, okay? So I've laid it out. And here you see the front part of the dress on the fold of the fabric. This is the selvage. It's on the fold. It has 2 darts in the front. When we open it up, you'll see the darts, and it has the breast darts. Okay, so when we cut it out, we're cutting, it's on the edge. It has to be on the edge of the fabric. And I'm using my big Ginger scissors. And then it has notches. So here is the notch so that we'll know which way of direction that the fabric is going. And you want that little V right here, because this is where our dart is. There's another notch on this side so that it's letting